Do you know who made Hangul?
No.
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 Yes.
King.
King Sejong.
Okay.
King, do you know we have the Joseon dynasty?
Mm-hmm.
Before modern Korea, that we have the Joseon dynasty. It lasts 500 years. And 1443, he made some creation Hangul project he studied.
Okay.
So because at that time we borrowed the letters from China, so we used the Chinese character. So we have our Korean sound, but we don't have own letters. So we borrowed the Chinese characters. So as you know, the Chinese character is very difficult to learn.
Yes.
So many characters and
very complicated.
hard. Yeah, very complicated to learn. So only little high rank people, they can learn and write and read. So many normal people, they couldn't read or they couldn't write. So many bad things happen because they didn't read or write. So King Sejong decided to help them. And so he decided to make new letters for only Korean.